8th class student exercise 15. 15 exercise is quadrilateral. The figure formed by 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. That is quadrilateral. A, B, C and D. In a that is symbol of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Has first is vertices. Vertex is A, B, C and D. Vertex is A and B and C and D. 4 are vertices. Second is sides. Sides is A to B called the AB. B to C is second side. C to D third side. DA is fourth side. In a quadrilateral, ABC has vertex is 4 and side, and angles. Third is angles. Angles is first angle is DAB. Second is ABC. And third angle is CBD. Fourth angle, first angle DAB. Second angle ABC. Third angle BCD. Fourth angle is CDA. Is a standard form. You write the angle DAB. Write also angle A, angle B, and angle C, and angle D. 4 angles are these angles called the interior angle of quadrilateral. Fourth is a quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. Diagonals are AC and DB. AC and DB is two diagonal has a quadrilateral. Now the adjacent side. Which are adjacent sides? Adjacent side is vertex is A, first pair is adjacent side is called the meet one common point. First pair is AB and AD. AB and AD is adjacent side is first pair. Second pair is AB and BC. AB and BC is AB and BC meet at vertex P. Third pair is adjacent side. At point C, BC and DC. Call the adjacent side. Fourth pair is where meet the vertex D. AD and DC both pair of adjacent side. Third is opposite sides. Opposite sides which are opposite sides. First pair is opposite side is AB opposite DC. AB and DC are opposite side. Second pair is AD opposite BC. AD opposite BC is two pair of the opposite sides. Third is opposite angles. First pair is angle A opposite angle C. We call the opposite angle. Second pair is D and B. Call the opposite angles. Adjacent angles. Which are adjacent angle? Adjacent angle. First pair is A line segment, A angle and B. call the first adjacent pair. Second is angle B and angle C is adjacent. Third pair is angle C and angle D. We call the adjacent angle. Fourth pair is angle A and angle D. Call the adjacent angle. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Of a quadrilateral. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, sum of all angle of a interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. You can call the four right angle. Angle sum property is that is theorem at first you write the given is quadrilateral symbol ABCD. Second is to prove is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Third construction is V join B to D or A to C. Join is A to C. Proof is after join the AC, make the two triangle. Write the angle 1, put the name 3 and 4. These line not a bisector of angle A, not angle C. Two triangle, we take the first triangle is in triangle ABC. In ABC triangle, angle is 2, which are the interior angle of triangle 2B and 4. angle B plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angle of triangle is sum of angles of triangle. In triangle, at first the one triangle to take the angle ADC. In triangle ADC, angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 3 is equal to 180. That is sum of angles of triangle. Adding both angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 3 is equal to 180 plus 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle B plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D is equal to 360. We know that angle A is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle C is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So we write the in place of angle A plus angle B is equal to angle A plus angle B, it is same. 3 and 4 angle, write the angle C. Angle D, it is same. 360, it is same. We to prove in hence proved, that is how sum the interior angle of the triangle 360. We can prove this theorem. Thank you.